Hi everyone, this video is going to assist preschool teachers to download and upload their scores, give attendance, and also print their report card. To start, when you log onto the system, you see academic management. When you open the model academic management, you see a model called preschool grading. When you open your preschool grading, you fill in the parameters. The exam type I'll be going with is terminal. The assessment type is non-academic. The term is second term. The academic year is 2024-2025. The class is nursery 1. I will not go with a class group. If your school, you have a class group, you go with the class group. When you are done, you click on load. So please note, when you check the total number of students in your class, if they are less, you inform the administrator, and also if they are more, you inform the administrator. If the list is correct, go ahead and fill the term here and then click on export sheet. After exporting the Excel, you open your Excel and you enable editing. You select all and you expand your Excel. Beneath the mark, you give your mark. So your marks will be a symbol. So VJ means very good. J means good. E means excellent. That's at my end, our setup. So F is there. So I'll do the same thing. You do the same thing for all, depending on how active they are in this thing. So you select all and you drop. After that, you save your Excel. You come back onto the system where we have select file. You select your file, you open your file, you upload it. After uploading, you are done. Note, if there is a mistake on your Excel that you want to correct, you have to drop the entire Excel. So you have to click on this one, drop assessment here, to drop it, and then you correct your Excel and upload it again. So now let's move to the attendance. You will see a model called attendance book. Over here you fill the parameters. So the parameters will be second term. Academic year is 2024-2025. The class is nursery 1. The total attendance at my end is 66. You load. The same process, you export your Excel. You export your Excel. You open your Excel. You open your Excel, you enable editing. You give the attendance, so 66, 65, 60, 66, 64. So I'm just going to drag this across, then the last 66. Then save the attendance. The same process, you come here, you select your file, you upload it. After uploading, you click on save book. Now you are done. When you are done, you go back and you come to performance reports. At the performance reports, the exam type will be terminal. The source will always be assessment BS. The term is second term. The academic year is 2024-2025. The class is nursery 1. When you select when you select the student, you come to the report side and you select your template, customize report. You select your template. The color scheme is, I'll be going with is green, and you print your report. So this is how your report, this is a template. So this template, this is how your report will be looking like. Thank you.